welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. Today I will be showing you viewers how I detangle raw curly hair, and this is hair extensions made into a wig, and the wig has been sewn onto my cornrows because I love weaves. So if I was to do a wig, it has to last as long as the cornrows will last. So now let's just go straight to the point. As you can see, my baby hair, I like to put a bit of mousse. I'm out of stock for got to be glue, so I will be using mousse to gel down my baby hair. My baby hair is already gelled down, but I just want it laying much more flat. I'm heading to the shops to get more got to be glue, and the rest of the mousse I like to put it now. Just a bit of spray. This is a spray sort of glue. So now what I will be doing is to tie my baby hair down so it can look as natural as possible. Yeah. So now that my baby hair is tied down, I like to show you what I usually do is to take a spray bottle with mixture of oil, water, and deep conditioner, and all you need to do is to spray that water all over your curly hair, whether you've got raw hair or Hi everyone, so this is how I detangle raw curly hair, and this hair is from the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique, and I basically bleached the extensions. I wanted to show you viewers a trick, and the trick to curly hair is if you want your curls really defined, you have to brush out, especially once you pour water onto your curly hair. This is how curly hair is supposed to be maintained, and this is every day. When you wake up, you would have to pour water on your curly hair for your curly hair to basically pop, the curls to really be defined. And to have really defined curly hair, you need to brush out your curls, and once you brush out, the curls really defines. It has this definition to it that if you just pour water on your hair and you put your hands through it, it wouldn't define your curls as when you brush through the curls. I don't know if you viewers are getting what I'm doing, but the best way to having good curly hair and defined curls is for you to brush through your curls. And also I wanted to show you this product from John Frieda, and this is the Unwind Curls, and this is a cream, and this cream is a miracle cream. It also helps the curls to basically unravel itself and define. This hair does not tangle. This is their raw Indian hair texture. I know I've done a review about this hair, but I haven't basically worn it on my head, so I decided to come on camera and basically show you viewers how the hair looks. I've been having this on for a week now, and this is how the hair looks, and I am really loving it. I wanted to bleach it first of all because, you know, I love to do different sort of colors. I'm not the sort of girl that wears natural hair colors like the normal color 1B/2. I prefer having my hair dyed either into jet black or blonde, but this time around I decided to go for blonde, and also to know how good quality the hair is, because I want you viewers to know when I review product, I want you viewers to know how best the hair can maintain bleach. And also beware, when you bleach your extensions, make sure you condition it for at least 24 hours. Leave the conditioner on the hair, leave it in a plastic bag, wash it the next day, and make sure you air dry. Air drying is very vital and it's better than blow drying. Air drying makes your hair really soft and healthy. Blow drying, you're basically adding more heat to the hair, and remember the hair has already been bleached. So this is how I detangle my hair. Obviously I will be doing an in-depth review after 3 weeks. When I've had this on for exactly 1 month, I will let you viewers know how the hair is coping, what are my thoughts. But so far so good. This hair does not tangle. One thing I hate is hair that tangles, but this is real raw hair, and this raw Indian curly hair texture from the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique. I will leave the link in my description box down below. I will also leave a code ATIVELT10. You will get 10% off your entire purchase if you use my code. And yeah, finally the wait is over. I decided to review this hair. This is not an in-depth review, but this is just to show you viewers how the hair is, and I will have a final review and my final thoughts on this hair at the end of December, and I'll let you viewers know how I'm coping with this hair. So far so good, and hope you viewers did enjoy this video. The products I use, I'll mention it one more time. John Frieda Freeze Ease Unwind Curls, Got to Be Glue Spray, and this is my Motion Smooth, because as I initially stated, I don't have my Schwarzkopf Got to Be black gel. I don't have it on me, so I decided to use the mousse and the spray to basically line my baby hair. And my baby hair is looking as natural, like literally when I go out people think this is my real hair, obviously, because it looks really natural. And I'm really happy and glad I purchased this hair. I'm really loving it. So far so good. As I said, I'll have a final review about this curly hair at the end of December, and I'll upload this. So have a beautiful morning, afternoon, whichever country you're from. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, and be happy.